Hi guys, good morning. So as I mentioned in my last video, I am going to Pune to surprise my dad for his birthday. Today is his Parsi birthday. Yeah, we have two birthdays as Parsi. We have a Parsi calendar and then we of course follow the normal calendar. So today is his Parsi birthday. So I thought I'd go surprise them and see them for the day. I'm not going for very long. I'll be back tomorrow. So I thought I'd vlog for you guys. So let's go to Pune. So this is my current situation. I've been working all through the cab ride. It has been raining and the weather is lovely. I did stop off and get some Starbucks in between, which is good, keeping me awake. And we're going to be in Pune soon. So we're almost here. I've stopped the cab a little ahead of the house so that they don't see me coming. And let's surprise Mommy and Daddy. Hello, mother and father. Surprise. Happy birthday. So this is my balcony and I've just been spending time with my parents. I crashed their lunch, had lunch with them and then just been sitting and chatting, and the house seems really quiet without Simba. Like the first thing I noticed was that he wasn't barking as soon as I entered, because that's something he used to always do. Hi, 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 hi. And I'm glad I came because I feel like they could use the distraction to like just chill. And yeah, right now we're just chilling at home. Maybe in the evening we will step out for a bit. So it's tea time and this loon is dressed like this because she thinks she's in Alaska. Are you in Alaska or in Pune?
I'm feeling cold. See the breezes there. Look up.
So we are at the Pavilion Mall and we are shopping at Zara, and my mother is being incredibly difficult in not buying anything. Why are you not buying anything?
Huh? Why am I not? Because it's not my size.
So yeah, the sale here is great, I must add. I have bought a lot from the Zara sale in Bombay, but the sale here is really good. This is the husband's corner where the wives leave their husbands when they go to shop. And my poor dad is here falling asleep. Mummy has done a lot of home shopping. This is why I do not go to a mall with my mother. We are back home. I had a really fun time with my parents. We went to the mall, we did a little bit of shopping, we ate a nice long dinner. I didn't really vlog a lot of the dinner because we were chatting, and that was the whole point of this trip, to come and just spend time with them and surprise them for my dad's birthday. And yeah, it was really fun. And now I'm gonna shower and crash. See you tomorrow. Good night. Good morning. So I slept really late last night. I was watching Dynasty for quite a while and I'm quite addicted now. I have to tell you, it's really cold in Pune. Like, I'm actually wearing a sweatshirt right now. And yeah, and last time we went to Mama Gota, and I have to show you guys this. They gave me a gift. They were really sweet at the restaurant, and they made my dad's birthday really special. They gave us this really special box. So this is what it was. There's a cup, there's some coasters, and they're really cool cushion covers. How cool is that? So they gave us that, and that was really sweet of them. Now I'm just gonna chill on the veranda and have my tea. This is my favorite spot in the whole house where we have all our plants, and it's just really like nice and open, and that's where we sit to have our tea. So I'm gonna get some tea, and then I'm gonna go to the market with my dad to run some errands. And yeah, I'm not gonna vlog that, but I will see you after. So that is a bird of paradise and a frog fighting. Can you see that? I'm all packed and ready to go. It's time to say goodbye and head back to Bombay. Next level. So we are on our way back. It's a pretty smooth ride so far. There seems to be some protests in Bombay today, so I'm hoping I get through really quickly. It is pouring also now. I am going straight to Scherezade because today is his birthday, so we're actually party hopping from one birthday party to the next, and yeah, it's gonna be fun. So we finally made it to Bombay. It's taken about 4 hours and I still haven't reached. This has been like one of the longest Bombay-Pune trips. I think all the roads, a lot of them were blocked. There were a lot of diversions because of the protests, and I am dying to pee. But I don't know if I missed the cake cutting already, but I'm just gonna go and wish Trey and pee because I'm dying to pee right now. Happy birthday, Dwayne. So I am finally heading home. It's been a long day and I'm exhausted, and I hope you enjoyed the vlog. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and check out my last video here, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.